When he released HAMANTS CONVO back in January, there was an urgent call for dancehall artist Govana to follow through on his promise to give Chris, one of the main characters in the music video, lessons on how to be a gallus. That cry has been doubled following the release of CONVO Part 2, but even when more fervency with male listeners also requesting gallus classes from the DJ, well, it seemed like Govana may be ready to start imparting his knowledge to those who wish to receive it. In a post that I realized with Govana, with all his songs and his videos, they're well put together. Okay, they have a storyline. It's not just some gal they shake them ass and some short up shots and they jiggle up them body and he have a bunch of man around him and now the brand new Benz. The stereotypical dancehall video, he has a little bit more in it. So honestly, Govana are doing thing, and all these other artists that are constantly on social media bickering and constantly talking about numbers, and them can't move and go because them not putting no work. You know, official Instagram page on Sunday, Govana shared a voice note he was recently made aware of, in which 2 male fans were inquiring about said classes. In the audio, which also features a female voice, the man can be heard asking if the classes are real and how they and their friends could sign up. I'm sorry if you can hear the fan going. There's no way to turn it off because the thing broke off. But anyways, in the audio, you hear it on the video. You think it real? No man, it no real. I just gimmicks in the song. The woman can be heard explaining. The man who refused to take no for an answer said, then requested Govana's cell phone number, divulging the need to reach out to him personally.
Where you hear about the class?
Oh yeah, I get this class, man. I want dog. So me work is funny video. I tell you that I get this class.
Oh, so 318 of the video, you think it real?
Yeah, so I'm dog the man carry when he get his classes, me.
Oh no man, it not real. I just gimmicks in the song.
But yes. But me know your dog must can give that a couple lessons. Yeah.
No.
You know your dog can give a couple tips. Now you get his thing.
No, him not give out no lesson, you know. Alright?
Alright then.
Yeah, man.
Governor different. You have your number?
Yeah, who for number you want?
Govy number.
No, but him not gonna do no lessons.
No man, more have to talk to him different, man. This time I need a proper schooling. Yeah.
You can school him. You go and school him. Cause you seem like you know your thing.
He must say Govy an artist, just like this.
Govana revealed that many have been calling his booking number requesting information on his gallus classes. He then revealed that contrary to what was said in the voice note, the classes are a huge possibility, but it's not gimmicks. Gallus class registration soon, a part of the caption read. When the star got in touch with Govana through his publicist, it was revealed that the DJ did not wish to elaborate any further on the post. However, the post have already sent fans in a frenzy. Many have already said that with online being a valid option right now for virtual classes, registration can start. One even suggests that it could be delivered classes via Zoom. Other fans said that with physical shows coming to a halt because of coronavirus, these classes could present as another resource of income for the artist. And I wholeheartedly agree. If he wants to make money, I feel like this is a way for him to come up, especially with the physical shows not taking place anymore. He can do something online and people have to pay, and they pay through their registration. So once they pay through their registration, then when the classes go live, they'll get a link that only people that pay can find. So I feel like this is a way for him to make money. even through this whole pandemic, and also a way for him to be innovative and creative. Another thing that I realized with Govana, with all his songs and his videos, they're well put together. Okay, they have a storyline. It's not just some girl they shake them ass and some shot up shots and they jiggle up them body and he have a bunch of man around him and now the brand new Benz. The stereotypical dancehall video, he has a little bit more in it. So honestly, Govana are doing thing, and all these other artists that are constantly on social media bickering and constantly talking about numbers, and them can't move and go because them not putting no work. Okay, they're not putting no work. All them do a talk on social media. That's all they're good for. Me not see no new video. Me not see no video. Me say damn, the video sick. OMG, me have to do a review on a video. The only videos that I've seen so far that I've literally went back and watched multiple times over and over are Vybz Kartel videos and Govana's videos, because these two artists they make their songs kind of into a short movie. Okay, it has storylines, it has actors and actresses, it has a plot twist, it has everything in it. And Govana are doing thing. I feel like him being a protege of, yeah, he's really putting out quality work. And when I mean quality work, I mean quality because every song, every video that he has put out so far has been a hit. And now I'm convinced that I have to actually go on iTunes or go to Google Music and purchase his album just to support him, just to show that yeah, do your thing and me support you. So me put my money where my mouth there basically. He's doing his thing. So and the rest of the artists them don't have any reason as to why they're not putting out bangers, why they're not putting out hits. Them they are road and them not do nothing. All them worry about is Vybz Kartel, and Vybz Kartel they are jail. Okay, it's very sad but it's the truth. Govana and Vybz Kartel up here. So while everybody there fight to get up there. So big up to Govana. Yeah, do your thing. HAMANTS Convo is definitely something that the people need, and if you feel like you can do the classes and get your coins from doing that, do it. What are your thoughts on Govana's album? What are your thoughts on all the songs that you have heard so far? Do you like them? Do you think they're great? Is Govana your artist? Do you think he is setting himself up to be legendary in dancehall music? Because I sure think so. What do you think about the classes, the Gallus classes? Do you think it's something that's viable? Do you think that is an opportunity for him to be creative and innovative as an artist and still make money? What are your thoughts? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.